A 62-year-old male with a submucosal lesion in the duodenal bulb was referred for EUS evaluation. On EUS examination, a 15mm sized submucosal lesion was visualized in the duodenal bulb. Water was instilled into the duodenal bulb to aid in accurate evaluation of the lesion, which showed that the lesion was arising from the deep mucosa with well-preserved submucosal layer. EUS-guided final biopsy was performed, which was positive for neuroendocrine tumor. The patient subsequently underwent endoscopic submucosal dissection of the duodenal submucosal lesion. A submucosal injection using a solution of hetastarch with methylene blue was performed. A circumferential incision was made using an ESD knife. Followed by careful dissection of the submucosal layer. Although the role of EUS in the evaluation of submucosal lesions prior to endoscopic resection is still under debate, this case clearly demonstrates that when EUS is performed meticulously using water insufflation, the wall layers can be examined in great detail, thus facilitating the correct management of a patient, which in this case was to perform minimally invasive endoscopic resection. If you want to learn evidence-based practices and know more about state-of-the-art endoscopy technologies, please attend Florida Live EUS from August 21st to 23rd, 2025 in Orlando, Florida, where advanced interventions will be performed by internationally reputed faculty from around the world. Please join us at Florida Live, where the magic of endoscopy begins.